So let's fix. Remember we were posing this and then these nails they never followed. Cause it's not binded, it's like separate geometry and stuff. So we just manually have to fix these, roughly aligning these pores to where they belong. Obviously that won't work, so just trying the edit mode. Probably what you will do is just delete the rest, just selecting everything and delete the rest, and then we'll just use one nail to duplicate. Basically, using one nail is like much simpler because we can just rotate around, and it doesn't take much time actually to do that. So just normally, like when you're doing proper rigging, that's what was just roughly us just posing it in sculpt mode. It's not proper rigging, or rigging like it's binding the actual base mesh with all the holes, or like the assets of the eyes. So whenever you like pose your rig, it actually follows the geometry, so you don't need to come back and just move other geometry or assets that you have on your mesh. So that's used for like the animation. Sorry, my mind just froze. So it's just renaming these horns, just grouping them together, joining them. Sorry guys, just got carried away there. Just cleaning up our file actually, because like all these small horns just deserve to be just one. I'm just gonna add a mirror modifier to mirror them to the other side, and obviously something doesn't work right, so we need to pick the empty object that we named mirror that is on the center world axis. Looking for it. Let's just look for it over there. Just select that. As you see, it mirrors perfectly once you select that. So everything is mirrored perfectly, which that's what we want. So now, so you see that we have like front nails which had a mirror modifier and a multi-resolution modifier. So if we try to move it in edit mode, it doesn't update it perfectly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unparent it, hold on shift and control to unparent it, drag it to that collection over there. As you see, it tells you over there to, when you hold on control, you actually keeping the transformation over there. So everything is unparented over here. It's not connected with the geometry. So now when you move the mesh, it won't move the other object also. So we're just cleaning up our file. As you can see, it's a bit cleaner now. Everything is working very fine. So again, just trying edit mode. Let me see if I drag this. But when you let go, you see there's this spot effects going on. So what helps, it's just doing an invert selection, and just press L to select everything, and invert Control I, Command I, and delete vertices. And now we're gonna move this in object mode, not in edit mode, because we have the multi-resolution modifier, which doesn't update. I don't know why. So let's just do it this way. I believe this is the easiest way to do it. Just putting the origin on the center of the object, so I can rotate at the center like that. And again, you just using the same controls, G to grab like or move, and then R to rotate it. So in 3D view, it counts how you're looking at the object in terms of where you're rotating, of where you want to rotate. So from the top, you see I'm rotating like that. So just coming in, just pushing it, roughly putting it back where it was supposed to be. like that. Just rotating it a tad, just so that we a bit happy. But I'm gonna press Shift D to do a duplicate of the object. Just looking for if I can just create instances. Like if you want to also, you could just create a group or collection, and you can just instance that group or collection of the nail. So basically, it will be just one object duplicated. In this case, this is like a lot of geometry and stuff. So I'm just doing copies like that. Smoothing that in. And then I'll press Shift D. Select this guy. Stuff is checking if it fits. Shift D again, just moving it in. A third one over there. Make sure you change your angles. It takes a bit of time, but like once you like get the hang of it, it's fairly easy. Like how to rotate and which side to rotate actually. Shift D and do another copy. Smooth that in. I'm gonna press R to rotate. Hit G to grab. Smooth it down like that. Sweet. So we have that, and obviously we can't use the mirror modifier anymore. So let's do another nail to the other palm, to the other side. I mean, press G, shoulder that down. Press R to rotate. I press G in, just move that in like that. Just making sure that it fits and it's at the right angle. If it's rotate, press G, push it inside. Probably need to push it downwards. Press G again. Something of this nature. Shift D. R to rotate. Like so. G to grab. R, press R to rotate that guy. Like so. Shaking it in all angles. It's very, very, very important. This is a bit tedious. Probably you can, at the beginning of the stage, you can just merge the nails before you even pose. Like merge it to the actual geometry itself. So when you're actually posing it, it actually moves the nails. In this case, I didn't want to do that because everything was textured and UV'd. And it has, I want to have they have to have it on material easily. So yeah. Instead of me just doing selections, to that specific object when they are actually joined. So they are like other workarounds than what I'm doing over here. It's probably like the lowest way, but I just prefer it to be precise for my workflow. It looks all right now. Just look, press R, press G. I need to move that inside. Just grab like that. Somewhere up in there. He looks almost right here. The front nails are actually done now. It's time for the back ones. Again, the same process. Edit mode, select the rest. Make sure you just press L. Hovering over, press L to select every selection and delete the vertices. And in object mode, I'm just gonna move this guy. Set origin to geometry again. Press G. I just need to grab him and just move him. Press G and grab. And move it around. Like so. Just do some house cleaning. Press Ctrl J to join them, the front nails. Okay, select this guy. Press Shift D to do a copy, and then just click and drag. Press G. Move it around. Like so. Roughly over there. Shift D. So let's do it. I almost said the last copy. I just can't wait to finish this. Just play some music and just to relax. And it kind of takes a bit of time, but there's precision going on. Checking the rotation again. Shift D. Just rotate that guy. Now press escape. Put it from the top view, like that, and then press R to rotate again. Okay, let's grab this guy. Just push it inwards. Something of this nature. Like that. Yep. Looks about right. Let's do the last leg now, the one facing that side. And press R to rotate, G to grab. Okay, press R again. Oh no. Like that. Yep. Shift D. Just moving that. Okay, from the top view, press R. Roughly rotating that, just looking straight at it, and yeah, guys, we like almost done. So don't worry, just do these last two. Press G, moving. I think you guys are like getting the hang of this. This is very simple to do actually. It's just knowing when you're looking from the top, which side are you rotating, or when you're looking from the front or the side. Just knowing that. So like a tip, like when you're looking from the sides, you actually rotating up and down, And when you're looking from the front, it's like left and right. And from the top, also it's left and right. Depending on how you're viewing it, actually. Or press G, like so, something like that. So yeah, it roughly looks good. Just looking and seeing if I'm missing something. Let me see. Hold. From the side views, just checking if these nails are working. It's very important just to look around your model, just panning around it and just looking for mistakes and where you can actually fix. Because like after that pose, let me just select the object, go to sculpt mode. After that pose, you can get artifacts and stretching geometry and stuff. So I grab the ZBrush, just roughly fixing that elbow there. Ooh, I just accidentally went to edit mode by mistake. Sorry guys. It normally happens like if I hold down Control Command with Tab. That like normally happens. But again, thank you guys for your time, and I will see you guys in the next lecture.